How to use Monday.com to manage social media post scheduling. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open Monday.com and create a new board. Name it Social Media Calendar to keep things organized. 2. Add columns for post content, platform, scheduled date, status, and assigned team members to track everything efficiently. 3. Use the timeline or calendar view to visualize your posting schedule and ensure proper timing. 4th, set up automations to move posts through different stages, like draft, scheduled, and published. 5. Integrate Monday.com with social media tools like Buffer or Zapier to auto-schedule posts directly. 6. Assign tasks to your team members, set deadlines, and use reminders to stay on track. 7. Regularly update the board, analyze post performance, and refine your strategy for better engagement.